Better beating broke, we need more than hoping you won't get it sitting on your ass. Be the owner and employ yourself, circulate them dollars in the black hands. Bank account low and you all out of dope.
Hey, this LifeChanger Jay back up in this thing again. How y'all doing today? Hope y'all doing good. Hope y'all told yourselves that y'all loved yourselves today. Having a great day. Hey, it was lit. Had a nice little trade today. So, if you haven't already, like, subscribe, share, do all of that good stuff. And let's get to it, y'all. So, caught a sale on SPX 500, market execution. We had 5 minutes to enter this trade, 15 minutes to be in profit. So, where this red arrow is our entry candle. So, we have 5 minutes to jump into this trade. Trade closed down here. I actually got into this trade myself, and you'll see that over here in this area. And you'll see my price, and I believe I got into it around 2:16 p.m. Eastern Standard Time at 10 cents a pip, and my price was 3617.73. So, see what had happened was, I know y'all probably looking like, oh, this is pretty much around here is where I exited this trade, and I manually exited this trade. So we had 5 minutes to get into it on this candle. We have 15 minutes to be in profit. So 5, 10, 15. So this, excuse me, 5, 10. Okay, yeah, no, I might. Okay, let me move this. We'll move that over. So 5, 10, 15. We have 15 minutes to be in profit. So we were in profit at 15 minutes from 2:15 or whatever, probably like 2:30 Eastern Standard Time. Boom, we were in profit. When you take my signals, and this is probably what it'll look like, when you take my signals, you'll have a certain amount of time to get into the trade, and you'll have a certain amount of time to be in profit. So you'll see that right here. We have 5 minutes to enter on this candle. We have 15 minutes to be in profit, where this line is right here. So we were still in profit, so boom, stayed in the trade. So I held the trade all the way up to about this point, and I manually exited. Why? Because I saw it getting close to that red line, and it was actually the fake out. So it usually looks like it's going to close at least one time before it does it, really. And that's exactly what happened. So the fake out got me. Fake out got me, y'all. So I got out with 153. Yeah, I got out with 153 pips. So, matter of fact, I didn't talk about risk to reward. So, risk to reward, we were risking 45 pips for initially, it will look something like this. Pretty close to it. Boom. So it looks something close like that. So we're risking about 45 pips for 91 pips. Or 90 pips exactly. It would have been 90 pips exactly. So that would have been our TP1, which is this first line right here. You see TP1 over here. TP1 was at 3610.5, and boom, it hit that. So this candle right here is going to be our 15-minute profit candle. So about 10 more minutes, boom, it hit TP1. So 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, boom, it smacked TP2 and TP3. I ain't gonna say it smacks TP3, but it closes above TP. It closes in between TP2 and TP3. So this trade started taking off, fast. So I'm not exactly sure how many TPs I'm gonna put, but pretty much each TP is another ratio up. So it starts off as 2-to-1, so TP1 is gonna be a 2-to-1 ratio. TP2 is gonna be 3. So somewhere around there is TP2 is going to be 3-to-1 ratio. And TP3 is going to be 4-to-1 ratio. So now that I've got that explained, y'all can see how good this trade did. So it hit me with the fake out, and I got out. So I didn't stay in it as long as I should have. But I could have re-entered, but, taking pips and dip. That's how we move. However, the true exit came all the way down here. So I bet you guys are wondering how much money was left on the table. Well, I'll show you. It did right here. excuse me, at the point that it's at right now, it's at about 185 pips. So I'm gonna snatch it down at TP3. It was at 185 pips. So, at its max, this trade maxed out at 708 pips. It might have maxed out a little bit more than that, but it maxed out at around 708 pips. This trade went all the way from a 2-to-1 all the way to a 15.6. This trade went crazy, y'all. So imagine being able to hold that trade all the way down there. So, matter of fact, it did go lower than that. It went lower than that down here. Let me stretch this out a little bit, y'all. Give me. Yeah, so, excuse me, it maxed out somewhere around 777 pips, y'all. So, this was a great trade to take. At 10 cents leverage, you were only risking 45 pips, which would have been $4.50, and holding this trade past the the reason I stretched it out all the way down here is because it gave a sign for an exit. It gave a sign for an exit right around here, which I believe was 580 pips, or somewhere around that. But it maxes out around somewhere around 777 pips. These are the kind of trades we want to take, y'all. I mean, imagine leveraging, or imagine risking $4.50 to make $77.70. That sounds like a good profit to me. So, this is LifeChanger J. You can catch me on Instagram at 2LJails. You can catch me on Snapchat. I'll put all the information up there later, of course. And I'm pretty much wrapping this video up, y'all. Y'all see how well this trade did. We only, on the lowest leverage, we risked $4.50, and it maxed out at $77.70, and it gave us our exit. It gave us our exit at 582 pips. So that 582 pips would have been $58.20 on the lowest leverage. So I jumped out around here because of that fake out, but this trade definitely could have been held. This trade definitely could have been held all the way to here. This is where, if you watch my other videos, you see my beginner exit strategy videos, you'll see how to watch for this exit, pretty much. And yeah, I don't know what else to tell y'all. Who doesn't want to catch 582 pips or 777 pips? I mean, sound good to me. So, like I said, this is LifeChanger J. I hope y'all told y'allselves that y'all loved y'allselves today. And I'm signing out. Y'all hit me up on Instagram, hit me up on Snapchat, hit me up on my Telegram. I do live trading sessions. So I was up doing this on the Zoom call when it was happening. So if y'all wanted to get in on a trade, I'd been like, yo, we about to get in on this trade. Of course, I didn't know it was going to do all of this, but I wouldn't tell y'all to get in a trade unless it was going to double up. So, 2LJails, we looking for that double up. And y'all have a great day, have a great evening, and I'm going to be trading again tomorrow.
Better beating broke, we need more than hoping you won't get it sitting on your ass. Be the owner and employ yourself, circulate them dollars in the black hands. Bank account low and you all